We have with us one of the top-rated dermatologists in the country. Welcome, Dr. Palm.
Good evening, Brooke.
Thanks for being with us again. So tell us, there are some statistics that are pretty shocking about melanoma.
Yeah, I don't want to be a Debbie Downer, but I'm going to be. So about 1 person per hour actually passes away from melanoma in the United States. It's actually the most common form of cancer death amongst young patients and young adults 25 to 39. And depending on the agency and society you look at, somewhere between 75,000 and 125,000 new cases of melanoma are going to be diagnosed in the U.S. every year.
That is unbelievable. And you were saying earlier that this one is preventable in some ways.
Yeah, and so that's the silver lining, I think. And that's what we want to stress to viewers is early detection. Because if we get it as a melanoma in situ, the earliest form, 100% cure rate. It's when it actually goes from being superficial to deep down, growing elsewhere in the body, that it can be devastating.
Tell me what you're doing lately to help people with early diagnosis.
Yeah, so really surgical excision is still the big thing, and we're going to talk about a way to get screened so that if you have something concerning, we can take care of it. But at our practice, this is going to be the 5th annual fundraiser year of something called Soul Search. It's at our practice on May 7th, which is a Thursday, from 5:30 to 8. Tickets are $35. You can buy it online at artofskinmd.com, and it's going to be live music, fully catered, beverages. It's a lot of fun, so we really want everybody to come out.
And that $35, that money going to a really good cause. Tell us where that's going.
All of the proceeds go to the Skin Cancer Foundation, which is really the pioneer in research and education about melanoma.
Now, in addition to the May 7th event and fundraiser, on May 2nd, people can come and get a free screening for skin cancer with you.
Yeah, so on May 2nd, which is a Saturday, I'm going to have 5 dermatologists at my practice from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. You just call our office at 858-792-7546. You can get a free screening, and I think that's so important because I'm talking about what to look for. We actually want you to have a board-certified dermatologist looking at your skin.
What an amazing benefit for the public. Thank you so much for sharing all this with us, and I'm sure we'll have you back again. There's so much more to talk about as well.
Thanks so much.
All right, we'll send it back to you, Derek, at the desk.